Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make your own CD gyroscope from those old fidget spinners that you got laying around your house. Check this out. All you need to make your CD gyroscope is an old CD, a hot glue gun, and 2 fidget spinners. Once your hot glue gun is ready, put some hot glue around the edge of the center of your fidget spinner and glue that right to the center of your CD. Try to center it best you can. And make sure that the fidget spinner can spin. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now once you've got a fidget spinner on both sides of the CD, try standing the CD up without the fidget spinner spinning. You'll find that it falls right over. Now let's try to see if the CD will stand up if we spin both fidget spinners. Look at that! So why does the CD stand up when the fidget spinners spin? Well, a gyroscope has angular momentum, and thanks to the conservation of angular momentum, a gyroscope will maintain its position as long as it continues to spin. So as long as those fidget spinners spin on each side of the CD, it will attempt to maintain its position because of the conservation of angular momentum, and that's what keeps the CD from falling over. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.